What's up, guys? So today is day 1, 2. I don't really know what day of quarantine it is because we're not like officially on quarantine, but you know, we're just practicing some social distancing. And honestly, that's not really hard for me because I'm a stay-at-home mom, so being inside is what I do. But I wanted to sit down and do my makeup even though I'm not going anywhere. I have nothing to do. But makeup for me has always been like a stress reliever. It's been therapeutic. It's been something that gives me peace, and I feel like I can be more positive throughout my day when I start my day doing my makeup and I put that time to just do me, do my face, make myself look cute, feel cute. And that's what I want to do today. So, and honestly, like, who can't use an extra positivity energy in their house while this is all going on? You know what I mean? Because the world's a crazy place right now. So, I just wanted to say that. Let's just go ahead and get started. So, this is my hemp collagen beauty oil. I actually got this at Macy's. I was just like browsing in the backstage area, and I saw this and I was like, beauty oil with hemp in it. I like that. So it's honestly been doing me really well. I feel like I haven't used it enough to give a full opinion, but so far so good. It literally like just sinks right into my skin and gives my skin a really nice base for my makeup since I am really dry nowadays. And I'm so sorry for the music in the back. It's Sosa loves watching Baby First. Like, I'm trying to like lower the volume. So has anybody already like gone through half of their quarantine food? Like, just thinking to myself, how am I gonna survive? Like, but anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my, what foundation do I want today? I went with my Born This Way Too Faced foundation. This stuff is really full coverage. You can get medium if you, I guess, use a damp beauty blender and like use really light, like a really light layer, but honestly, it's full coverage, girl. I want to really show y'all like how you can build this. So I just started with 1 pump. And honestly, 1 pump will kind of like do it for me. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more. Like this much. Does that show? The lighting is intense right now because it's like golden hour. So who else is an Aries? Like, basically our season is canceled because of this virus. Like, can't go outside, can't do shit, everything's closed. I'm just hoping that I can get a hold of some alcohol because last year I was pregnant, so I didn't get to drink. I didn't really do much. I just went out to dinner, and that was basically it. So I'm hoping this year is a little bit better, even though I'm gonna be inside, but who knows, we'll see. Next is my e.l.f. concealer. A little goes a long way with this, guys. Beware. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to get through this video, but that is my life. Like, I don't even know what exactly it is that she's wanting right now because she's fed, I just changed her diaper, she's playing with toys, she's watching her favorite show. Like, I don't know what else she could possibly be upset about, but you know, it is what it is. But I am just gonna lightly go in with my L'Oreal True Match. So anyways, I wanted to tell you guys what I freaking did. I fucked up my brows because I decided that I was gonna be Miss Do-It-All, and I decided to get one of these little like razors, and I shaved my brows, and as you can see, you can't see because of the foundation, but I cut myself up here, so just go to your brow lady. Literally, just go to your brow lady. I've become such a home person, like being at home, that even to do my nails, it's a struggle. Like, I don't even want to leave my house to do my nails. well, she's eating now, so hopefully I can get a few minutes of some peace and quiet here. But as I was saying, you guys, just go to your brow lady. Don't try to, like, unless you know what you're doing, like, don't buy one of these razors, because I just cut myself up. My shit was burning all day. Like, my brows were literally telling me, look, bitch, this is what you fucking get. Like, this is what you get. So anyways, I'm just gonna do my brows off camera, and I'll be back, because honestly, I'm not proud of how my brows are and like my routine. So I'm just gonna do them off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that brows are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I feel like the lighting right now is pretty harsh, so let me see if this will do it better. I think this works. I feel like we're gonna be using hella bronzer nowadays because, well, I am, because I feel like I'm not gonna be outside as much. I'm not gonna be tanning, so fake it till you make it, baby. It's crazy because, like, if there was no news or social media or anything, like, you could go outside right now and, like, it's a normal, beautiful day. But, like, instead we're freaking out, panicking. I'm not even scared because of the virus, you guys. Like, I'm scared of, like, the government and, like, what is basically happening. Like, they basically want to control us. I guarantee you they're gonna come out with a vaccine to cure this so-called flu. And, like, who knows what the hell is in that? Like, I don't know. Honestly, all I can say is I'm staying prayed up, and that's all you can do, you know? That's why I'm sitting here doing my makeup, because I can't dwell on those things. Like, they will literally drive me insane and give me a panic attack. So do your makeup. Next, I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia highlighting kit. For blush, as I was saying, I'm gonna use my same bronzer brush, my Morphe blush palette. I'm gonna use this one called Unapologetic. Next, I'm trying to think what I want to do with my eyes. Honestly, I'm thinking just some eyeliner and some lashes. On my Instagram, I have so many people asking me how is it that I do my liner, and I filmed myself on my Instagram doing it, which y'all should follow me. It's Big Debbie Dollars, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do it here for y'all. I really want to be in focus and in the camera. I really want y'all to be able to see me. Okay, so basically what I do is I just create the line. Literally simple, create the line. I go over and make the line over my eye.
Buddies, want to see more Baby First videos? Subscribe now.
Peekaboo, I see you.
So once I've got that there, then I literally just connect. But before I do that, I go back into my thing.
The wheels are circles.
Honestly, this brush is really, like, it does the job for you in a sense. You kind of just have to let it do its job. I wish I could explain that a better way, because that just sounds so vague, but that really is, like, I just let the brush flow and I just let the brush kind of do its thing.
You sure are fast on that skateboard. The wheels are circles, just like on the bicycle.
Fill in
Look,
the gap.
stroller has wheels that are circles. The baby is holding a balloon that is a circle. The ice cream scoops are circles. The apples in the trees are circles. Even the sun is a circle.
Did y'all get that?
There are so many circles.
I hope I did. I'm probably going to be editing this. So then I basically just...
There are circles all around us. On the round wheels.
I like reinforce everything. So the first part is really just like your guideline, and then you go in and it reinforce everything once. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my other eye and the lashes. So I'll be back. The lashes that I'm going to use, actually I got them on sale at Target. Lashes by Ardell. I got them on sale like for $3.98, so $4, but they're usually like $8. So, and I get really good use out of my lashes because I take the glue off of them so that there's like, you know, they can last longer. I'm probably just gonna speed through so y'all don't have to, you know, waste a lot of time. Something that my homegirl Manny had said was like, your things are sisters, they're not twins, and that's 100% true. Like they can look from far away like they're really exactly the same, but my wigs are never really the same. Like unless I'm having like an A1 day and I'm just being really like lucky that day, then okay, they'll look literally like twins. But honestly, I'm not like stressing over if they look like sisters or even cousins sometimes, you know. I want to show y'all how to like fix this little crisp end. Okay, these two bad boys are right here. They're gonna just a little bit, you know, and clean it up. And you can do this even if you already did like a really good job at keeping them similar. This will really kind of just give you that like, whoa, like they're super like knife cut a bitch type of liner. And honestly, I kind of just blend it out with my finger, like so it can just like melt back into my skin. And I call it a day. I'm done. I'm not gonna sit there and fuss over making them super duper fire. Like, for what? For what? Apply some mascara. So I kind of want to add a pop of color to my bottom, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna do it orange. Just grab any pencil brush. Then I'm gonna go in with this super
Back to school.
I always just add a little extra on the front and back because, you know, the inner corner likes to come up, and ain't no bitch gonna argue with you or pay you any minds if your lash in your inner corner is sticking out. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna set my brows with my Anastasia brow gel. This one is the tinted one. I think it's espresso. It just has like that super small wand, and it just really sets your brows really well. Be careful because a little bit goes a long way. The first time I used this, my brows were super dark. So it's probably one of my favorite ones because I can actually feel the cling. Like you feel your brows being set for the day. They won't move, they won't budge. Come hell or high waters, come the coronavirus, your brows aren't moving. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on my bottom lashes because can't forget those. And yes, LOL, they have baby first in Spanish, which So my new moms, this was recommended by Cami on my Instagram. Thanks so much, because this has been a game changer. Like, I know today she's been a little fussy, but on a normal day, I put Baby First on and she will sit and not cry, not move. She'll just budge when she's hungry. You know, that's basically it. And I can get a lot of work done. But today, I just don't really know what it is. She just was not in the mood for me to be filming. For my lip, while these lashes are still drying, I really like to give the lashes a good period of time to dry up. Like, I don't like putting them on my eyes when they're still wet, because it just makes it harder. Like, if you have a hard time putting on lashes, that might be your problem. You know, just let them really get tacky. So that's like my biggest tip, is just really wait till they're tacky. So for my lips, I'm gonna outline with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I have the travel sized one, and it's in the shade, can y'all see that? I don't have my glasses on, you guys. I'm so sorry if this is out of focus, but it's in the color Dubai. Now that we're on lips, I just wanted to say something. So, I have had a problem with my lips for so long. The fact that they are so dry, they peel, I bite them, they bleed. I have a problem. Like, I have an actual problem. But the Aquaphor that you use for like tattoos, burns, baby butts, all that stuff, put that on your lips, you guys. Oh my gosh, it'll change your life. So for my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and just basically look down in the mirror, like look down. Put it in the middle first. Push down. Now, if you have like tweezers, I can't find mine at the moment, so I'm just gonna use this tip, but basically just literally y'all see that? Now I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Super simple, like, you know. For the rest of my lips, I want to do an ombre. So I kind of want to do some more. So I'm just gonna actually emphasize that line with the brown by the Kylie lip kit. Yeah. I don't really wear these on their own because, like I said, I have such dry lips. So I always, like, if I put them on, I'm either mixing it with a balm or something. So, but they are really matte on their own, honestly. So, literally just getting some extra depth on that brush, the Dubai brush from the NYX that I used like at the beginning. I'm just gonna put those like here and here, here and here. You see how that like is a deeper brown? That's what I like. That's the shit I do like. So now I'm just gonna add some gloss, which is gonna be the Fenty Beauty Gloss and Fenty Glow, the glass bombs. These smell so good. And that's basically it, you guys. That is the look for quarantine. Just in case you got yourself a quarantine bae, you know.